at Gibby's Garage. Today, we're obviously not at Gibby's Garage because it's much smaller. We're at my buddy Dwayne's shop. That's his home shop. He does everything himself, not a business. So we're gonna bring Dwayne in on this and hopefully putting out a bunch more videos. You see right now it's a 71 Chevy truck that he's working on. What we're gonna do is we're gonna set up this bed lift kit for you today, and then we'll go over some stuff on his airbag 71 Chevy that he's working on. As you can see, he's got a lot of projects going that hopefully we can do some videos on. But anyway, this is Dwayne, and we're gonna get to work on his 71 Chevy.
All right. Yeah, like Matt was saying, this is an unboxing. It's the actual bracket set that goes underneath the sides of the bed. It helps you pick the bed up off of this thing with a normal engine hoist. We've got our engine hoist set over here a little bit off camera, but that's what we're gonna do. We'll kind of unbox it, show you what's in it. It came from Summit or A-Tech Motorsports, it's the same company, but that's who we got it from. Not sponsored by them by any means, but you know, it seemed to be the best price, best bang for the buck, and the easiest way to get the whole bed off of this truck without killing yourself. So we'll start unboxing it and we'll show you what we have. It's assembled. A couple of the features that are on it, you can see if we look up in here, there's the measurements. It helps you get it, and it's on all four corners, right, so that you get an even pick, and you center. It's easy to center it that way. As far as front to back, let's say you go to pick it up and you feel it's nose heavy or tail heavy because of the tailgate. This moves to compensate, lock it into place. And the nice thing is let's say your truck's painted, like this one's painted really pretty right now. You know, it's like Technicolor cab, the etchable primer. But anyway, they've got these plastic coated ends on it to kind of help protect this area of the truck in case it is touching paint. So you could also stuff a rag in here if you needed to. Some of those microfiber towels that would work really good to try and keep this from scratching paint. But as you can see, we aren't really concerned about scratching paint. But we'll go ahead and get this positioned in here, kind of give you an overview once it's in, and we'll pick it up, see how it works. If it damages anything, we'll edit it out of the video. Just wanted to kind of give you a brief overview of why I pulled the bed off. You'll see in the other video that, you know, I kind of went over what we have under here. And the main reason why we pulled it off is we've got to run air lines and we have to run fuel lines. So what